What is up, guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel. This is going to be a very short video. A video just to show you that there is always a lot of work to do around the place here. And that is the reason why we don't have always new videos about the Corvette or the Mark here. But as you can see, there's always a lot of work, and that is the reason why. So stay tuned for this one. It's very short, won't take long. Before starting this video, I would like to say thanks to Jared from Wrench Every Day for using my comment in his video. I will show it here.
Actually a whole lot better than this movie car, and we've been stuck with the decision of which car do we build? Do we build the original movie car that was just an extra, nothing that significant, that had structural damage, or do we build the blue car that was an Orlando PD car? And let's just say your responses were amazing and overwhelming.
And now, without further ado, let's go to the video. So thank you all very much for watching. Find us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And I hope we will see you very soon in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Peace.